The next steps are that we will obviously continue to follow up the patients. We haven't yet shown an overall survival advantage for the older, frailer patients. And we think some of that is because the impact of frontline treatment is meaning that they aren't necessarily treated appropriately later on down the treatment pathway. The other nice bit of data we've got at this Congress is our minimal residual disease data, which will be presented by Ruth DeToot today, and she shows that whether you're MRD negative or positive as you go into the maintenance arm of the study, you benefit from the Revlimid maintenance. So even the patients who've had the best and deepest responses still do very well on the study. We've also shown with our cytogenetic data that patients with standard risk cytogenetics do very well on the maintenance arm of the trial, but also patients who have high risk cytogenetics also do very well with Revlimid maintenance. And that's two bits of information that really complement the overall trial data.